Hey guys, sorry, what's up? Sorry. Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm doing something new. As you can see, there's no face of mine. I have not put my face in this video because the thing I'm gonna do is much more interesting than my face. I promised a friend I'd show him how to hack a website, but let's keep it for later. That is not something I'm gonna do now. But I'm going to do something which is equally dangerous and equally illegal in every way that you can think of. That is getting into a database of a website. As you can see, I have a website over here open in front of me. Cobra Net. Yeah, Cobra Net. It's a pretty good website, I think. I don't know what they do. Goal. What are their goals? Our goal is simple. Okay, so they have a simple goal. A high quality service delivery. Okay, so they broadband wireless. So they are kind of IT hardware distribution company or internet distribution. Anyways, that's not something I plan on doing. That's nothing. That's not the main reason I'm making this video. So I'll be using Kali Linux. Let me power it up. It's a beautiful, simple web, OS. Specially designed for penetration and hacking. So as I'm telling you, as I was telling you, I'm not gonna hack this website. I'm just gonna go into the database. Let's see what this database content or database of this website contains. Let Kali boot up. It takes a little time. I'm using VirtualBox. Okay, so you should know that everything, even Facebook, has a database of its own. This database contains all the usernames, passwords, dates, comment sent, comment received. Even other websites contain databases. Databases are mainly tables. So in the tables there are columns of first name, last name, their contacts, their details, where they live, maybe I'm not sure. So right now I'm just gonna check and show you guys how to check databases of websites that are vulnerable. Remember, don't try this on Facebook or Google mainly. Don't try this on websites that are good. Try this on some back-end websites that are not good. I'm not saying all websites are bad or all websites are good. There are some vulnerable websites out there which can be hacked. So SQL is the main technique we are going to use here. So I've already copied the website link. DBS, we are going to do a database search. DBS stands for database search. So okay, as you can see, it has already went into the website and got us 3 databases. As we have already seen, it was CobraNet. So to confirm that available databases are 3, you see the first database is CobraNet DB, which stands for CobraNet database. Then information schema and test. CobraNet database seems a little secretive, so let's get into that. Okay, so I'm getting into CobraNet DB. I want to see the tables of the database to know what. Whoa, my god, this 35 tables found. Okay, so we have 3D images about applied items. These are the tables that are there. Each table contains columns and each column contains values. So let's find something interesting. Sent mails. Okay, sent mails. We'll go for sent mails. Let's see what's inside sent mails. Sent mail, I don't think people put up in the website whom they send mails to. I don't think that's something very. Who would be such a dumbass to tell people that I've sent a mail to this person or that person? So it's something very, very secretive for any website, any person, in fact. But since we have the tool, we have the knowledge, let's look up into it. So sent underscore mails. So we want to see the columns. Let's see what columns this have. Okay, so database is CobraNet database. Sent mail is the table. There are 10 columns. 2 address, concern type, concern date, time, email, first name, index, last name, phone number. So as you can see, we have got the total database. We have got the total table under our control now. We can see to whom they sent, the name of the person, the address of the person, Address here most probably means email address. Concern type, that is the subject. Concern is the body of the letter, I think. Date, time, when they are sent. Email is the email ID. Then what is the address? I don't know. First name, index, last name, phone number. Now this is very personal. We shouldn't be looking up others' phone numbers. That too by hacking websites. Anyways, the thing is, I'm not going to show you how to get into these fields and check things written inside these fields, because in some other website, if you try doing this in some other website, you might find, instead of first name there is a username, instead of phone number there is the password. You calculate, you download all the usernames to your machine, you download all the passwords, then you map the first username with the first password, blah blah blah. You can log in as the other person's whose username that is. So that is something very illegal, very 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 illegal, and that's something I'm going to show you because that's not something that should be done. Exploiting a website is okay, but it should be exploited till a point, especially when I'm gonna put this up on the net. So I don't want to exploit a website so much that the makers find it very difficult to cope up, or the phone numbers get leaked out, or email addresses get leaked out. That is something very, I may be penalized for that. I may be penalized for coming this far. I'm not even sure. Let's see how it goes. But anyways, this is all I'm going to show you till now. But I tell you, if you are concerned, there are other tutorials and videos out there who show you how to get into these fields if you're if you really do want to. And later on, I'm going to show you how to get into other people's machines using the Armitage. I'm just giving a quick glance over here, not a deep one, but a quick glance. Let me just connect to Armitage. So these are the techniques that I am currently doing a research on. I would suggest you people, if you try this at your home, be careful, because 98% of websites nowadays track IPs. Could not open database. Okay, something went wrong. Anyways, so I'll be showing that the next time. And for now, it's bye bye.